गाइज एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टाइल विद पूजा। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और सुरक्षित भी होंगे। सो गाइज अभी आप लोग को पीछे अंधेरा दिख ही रहा होगा बिकॉज अभी बज रहे हैं 6 इन द मॉर्निंग। सो आज हम लोग जाने वाले हैं तड़ा वाटरफॉल। सो एक ट्रैक प्लान किया था हमने ट्रैकिंग जाने के लिए। दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस विच आई विल बी गोइंग थ्रू द वीडियो। सो अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, वीडियोग्राफी अच्छी लगी होगी, देन प्लीज़ मेक श्योर आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। बाजू में जो छोटी सी घंटी है उससे भी बजाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको मिलते रहे मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले। एंड वीडियो मैं पूरा वॉइस ओवर करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज वहाँ पे ट्रैकिंग करूँ कि मतलब शूट करूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इसे वॉइस ओवर करूँगी। So yeah guys, we have started from our home at 6:45 a.m. and it will take around 2 to 2.5 hours to reach Andhra Pradesh, that is Tada waterfall. It will be our first trek. Like my brother have already went to trek, but apart from that no one have actually tried this out, so it will be fun and exciting. So let's roll and see how it is actually, and I hope you will like the video, and if you do then please make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any such videos from my side. The morning bliss is just amazing. We started in our jeep, like it is my brother's jeep, so the video will be little bit different this time because I'm sitting at the end of the jeep. And firstly we are going to have our breakfast because like from morning we have not had anything, so we will be going to Sarvana Sai restaurant. From our home it is around one hour difference, so as we started at 6:45 a.m. we will be reaching there around 7:45 or 7:50 max. And yeah, we will have our favorite food, as all the time you guys know it will be idli. So let's not talk much and enjoy the journey. After breakfast it will take around 1 hour again to reach Tada, and there is entry fees for everyone. Those who enter, that is rupees 20, and if you are using any vehicle like two-wheelers charges are different and four-wheelers charges are different. So I just remember the four-wheeler parking charge which is 200 rupees, and I don't remember the two-wheeler parking charge. I think it is 50 or 100 rupees. So if you are at Chennai or nearby Andhra Pradesh, then you can definitely visit Tada. It is quite nice place for picnic, and those who don't like trek or can't climb that much, then yeah, you can actually sit near the natural swimming pool, enjoy with your family. But please be aware of monkeys, because if you open your food, monkeys will be there. and they will snatch your food, so be careful. So yeah, we reached Andhra Pradesh, and we are going some 15-20 minutes. I think 10 kilometers difference is still there. So yeah, we will be going there, and let's see that. Tada! We reached Tada! So yeah, we reached the destination. It looks like this, and there were so many people. Like guys, there were families, there were bachelors, like college students, friends, cousins. So many people were there. So from here, all you need is ticket. So we have took the tickets already from this part, and after that it will take around 5 to 10 minutes max to reach the area from where we can park, and where we can actually start our trekking. So it is just a road full of sand. So yeah, as you can see the road, so it is almost 2 kilometers from the ticket area to reach. You can actually walk here, but if you start walking here itself, you will be definitely tired. So they have given a facility to drive and leave your cars or vehicles to that area, so that from there you can walk easily. So yeah. So this is basically the parking area, and you can see two-wheelers are more than four-wheeler as of now, but when we came down after trekking, we could find so many two-wheelers, like two-wheelers, four-wheelers were huge amount. Like when we actually completed, people were started that time itself, but we started very early in the morning, so that if anything like sun or something is there, it won't irritate us. So it's better to start early. And the water, guys, that is so crystal clear water. You can actually drink this water, as that clear it is. So the climate, the area, the nature, it's just amazing. Those who love nature, those who admire nature, they can definitely visit such kind of places. And if you do like my such vlogs, like traveling vlogs, then please do let me know. I will travel for you, I will adventure new things, and definitely gonna share with you. And one more disclaimer I just wanted to give you guys, that if you are feeling that my voice is so low, that because of cold, so please ignore this cold, but please enjoy the video. And if you do like it, please do share with your friends, families, or cousins, those who ever feel like visiting Tada or any kind of trek,
वो लोग बोलते हैं ऊपर वाले
share with them.
ये लोग गलत जा रहे हैं, गलत जा रहे हैं करके। उनको पता नहीं कि हम फोटो लेने जा रहे हैं। अच्छा
Initially there was like a climbing or just a rock, and it was climbing upwards. As we are climbing to the hill, it was very difficult for me. I don't know about the rest of the people, but it was very difficult for me to climb upwards, and it was like my legs were paining. I was like, I can't even climb this much, then how will I exactly go for the trek, like how I'll climb the rocks. And you will find one clip here where I was just holding my knees because it was paining while climbing upwards. Then once the rock started, I actually started climbing, and I was not tired that time. But initially when it was just a bare floor with mud and I just want to climb up, it was very, very difficult. Guys, people must be wondering by this time that why exactly I'm speaking in English and making this video. So this is because everyone can understand it, as this is a traveling vlog and it's nearby south place, so people won't be understanding Hindi. So I thought of explaining everything in English so that everyone can understand and actually explore these things. There were places where actually we can not walk on floors. It is compulsory to walk on the water, so our shoes were red, as this is only the way, and there was no fake or false ways which have actually made. All are made with nature, and that's it. Nothing have constructed new or stuff. Everything is totally with nature. People actually bath here, and there are different mini ponds, as you can see, and people actually bath there and spend a lot of time with families and friends. we reached the waterfall, and it was really a tough journey between waterfall and a few steps back. If we say, there were so big rocks and everything was slippery, and it was really tough to climb up that way because my mom dad have not climbed this much. They have rested before 5 to 10 minutes of this because they were huge rocks and we don't want to take any risk with them. That's it. But they have traveled and trekked so good, like even youngsters couldn't, but mom dad did, so hats off to them. And yeah, then simply I was making my video and we had a pre-birthday celebration for my dad, as his birthday was on 4th of January, and we celebrated the cutting cake on 3rd of January.
केक की हालत खराब हो गई
Was by Shruti, which you will be finding at the end. मतलब cake, we have murdered the cake because after climbing and reaching there again, when we were climbing downwards, that time only we actually cut a cake, and cake was like this. We murdered. This was the funniest part. Like there were so many monkeys and we were having that potato chips kind of thing that in Tamil we used to say at kuchi chips. It is like stick chips, so yam or potato chips actually. So the monkey was actually grabbing it and snatching it. It was looking so cute. As you can see, it is so red in color, yaar. So afterwards we were giving him like few pieces. After that, what he did, he snatched the whole packet from my brother. He was only having it and he snatched the whole packet and went silently and he was eating it. So guys, this was the end of the trekking. While returning, I was very tired, and after going to jeep, I actually slept off. And then we had our lunch in the mid of the way, and then we reached home by 4:45 p.m. So that was all about the journey. Let's share the pics. So here is Shruti, who actually made that cake, so thank you Shruti. And these were the pictures of our breakfast outside, and this is the main entrance of the waterfall. These are the combined pictures of reaching waterfall. I was literally tired, actually everyone was tired. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you do, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any such updates from my side.